In this video, I will be showing you how to add YouTube watermark subscribe button to all your video with just a few clips like this on my screen below, and also how to create a custom branding new watermark to match your YouTube channel. And I will be using either free or paid version of any of this software to do this. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kevin. If you know you are getting value from this video, please do not forget to like this video, press the subscribe button, and lastly, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so whenever I post, you will be notified. So let's continue. So every feature you see on YouTube is very important and essential. There is a reason why YouTube put that feature there. So whenever you see a feature on YouTube, don't just overlook it. Make sure you find out what that features is for. So what I'm trying to say is that every opportunity like this that you see on YouTube, make sure that what you make it count, because these are all the things that will contribute to your YouTube growth. So this tutorial will be divided into two parts. Yes, we are going to take it into two parts. The part one will be how to create a custom watermark for your YouTube channel, while the other part, which happens to be the part two, is to how to upload this custom watermark that we have created and set it properly for the growth of your YouTube channel. So here are the quick things you need to know about this YouTube watermark, or you can also call it a subscribe button, is that it's going to be smaller, and the goal of this YouTube subscribe button is to want to get more viewers to click and subscribe to your YouTube channel. So try as much as possible not to make it to be distracting the viewer from your video. So you can put anything you want. You can put your picture, your logo, or your face. So depending on what you want, the goal is to make people want to click on it, which will lead them to your YouTube channel to subscribe. But you know that it is a subscribe button, so you have to make it to look like one. So I will advise you to always use the YouTube logo to create it, because a lot of viewers know or recognize YouTube subscribe button. So I will advise you to use YouTube logo when creating your subscribe button. So whenever they see it on your video, they will recognize it and click on it and subscribe directly to your YouTube channel. So after creating your YouTube watermark or your subscribing button and upload it and set it properly on your YouTube channel, on desktop mode or version, it will appear and it is clickable. But on mobile, it will only appear on landscape form and it is not clickable. It will just only be there. But when you are watching the video on mobile on a portrait form, it will not appear. So I want you to take note of that. So in terms of creating one for yourself, you can use any of the graphic software to create this without you using Photoshop. So let me easily show you how to create this by using Canvas. Like I told you, there are a lot of graphic design software that you can use to create this, but I prefer Canvas because it is okay for me. You are welcome to this side of the screen. So what we basically need is our graphic design software like Canva or Snapper. So on the Snapper, we have free plan that you can use to do this. Likewise on Canvas, so it depends on the one you want. So if you do not have account, you can go to canva.com and create one for yourself. So for me, I will log in through my um, mobile web browser to do this. So I click on my Chrome, then wait for my canvas to load. Canva to load. I don't know what's wrong with the network. Okay, it has opened. So all you need to do is to come to this plus button to create a program or to create a design. Then you come to this customize button space, this feature, this customize. Click on the customize. Then on this place, YouTube have a measurement or have a dimension of creating this subscribe button. So it is 50. You click on the weight 150, on the height 150. That means 150 by 150 pixel. So you click on create design. So it will load automatically to a custom. We are creating a custom watermark, so it's already there. Then it will bring an option of other templates that you can use if you don't want to start from fresh from scratch. You can easily select any of these templates and use it to create it. All you just need to do is to delete all this thing that is on top. So already have one. So what I need to do is to come to this text button, click on this text button, then you click on the heading. Then here on this heading, you will write subscribe. You type on subscribe to it, subscribe. So after that, on this subscribe button, what I need to do here is to what? Enlarge it to my size, the size that I want. So I will enlarge it to the size that I want. Double click the front size. So you select the front size you want. So for me, I think I'm okay with this canvases. Then I can enlarge it to the size that I want. After enlarging it, I drop it down a little bit. So I need to change the color because this is exactly what we want to create. Let me show you what we want to create. This is exactly what we want to create. So what I need to do here is to what? Click on the full page, then change the color to red. Then after that, then on this subscribe button, I click on it. You you click it. If you double click it, if you want to change the right up, but I'm not changing the right up, so I just click on it. Then I need to change the color. So I click on it to be white. So I think white is better. Then after that, I need to add YouTube logo or play. So you come to element, select this element, you come to this search button, then search. You can search play or YouTube logo. So anyone that you know you want to use. YouTube logo is okay. You can search for play and it will give you exactly the same thing you are looking for. So if I click on it, I wait for the element to load. Yeah, you can see. I think this is a pro version of it. So you can select any of this button you want to use for it. Click on see all. So you have a lot to you have enough to select from here. Excuse me. So since we are creating for scratch, so I think let me use any of these for this tutorial sake. Let me use this play. So I click on the play to import it to my work. So I enlarge it to the size that I want. You can enlarge it, drag it to the size you want, and position it in a way that is okay. Then click on it. Let me change the color. I think white will be okay. Yes, let me see. Yes, white. White will be okay. You can still enlarge it. So depending on the size you want, like I told you, you can still put your picture, you can put your face, you can put your logo if you are creating this subscribe button. So it depends the one you want. But since it's a subscribe button, we have to make it to look like one. So that is why I advise you to use this YouTube logo or YouTube play or subscriber button for your own, so that when people see it on your videos, they will know or recognize it as a subscribe button. I think we have done here very simple and straightforward. So the next thing we need to do is to import this subscribe button that we have created to our phone gallery or our photo. So I click on download, then download this, wait for it to finish downloading. Then as I said download, think download, then save to my file, open it, come down here, open the download. It will take me to my file. As you can see, it's here already. So what I need to do is to click on it, and press save. Once I press save, it will automatically download to my phone gallery. So if I go to my phone gallery, you will see that this is it. Very simple and straightforward. So this is the first part of this tutorial. So the second part is to upload this artwork to our YouTube channel. To do this, to do this, you need to go to your YouTube studio, and to go to your YouTube studio, just come to Chrome. If you have the app download on your phone or your website, you can do it directly. Come to your Chrome, click on YouTube dashboard, then click on it to open your YouTube studio app. So once you click on your YouTube dashboard, so here is my YouTube studio. So the next thing I need to do is to what? Let me zoom this place so that we'll be able to see it. You come to this customization feature, click on it. Then let me resume it again. Then after clicking on it, you scroll to the bottom side of it. This is where we are going to upload, or we'll be uploading the artwork we did to. So let me zoom in so that you see better. You can see video watermark. So what this does basically is that once you upload this artwork to this your feature on YouTube, it will display on your video. Every video that you upload on your YouTube channel, it will display, and when people click on it on a desktop version, it will automatically bring out your YouTube profile, and the person will easily subscribe without navigating to your YouTube app to subscribe. But on mobile form, it will only display on it when you are watching the video on a landscape form, but on a portrait form, it will not display. So that is easy to do this. YouTube has given us an option to do this. So what you need to do is, excuse me, this watermark will appear on your video in the right hand corner of your video, just as you seen on this page. So this is your video. Basically, this is where it will appear. So to do this, you will select a display time for this. If you want this artwork or subscribe button to appear at the end of your video, you click on number 1. If you want it to appear custom start time when you are starting your video, you click on the number 2. If you want it to appear on your entire video, you click on what? On the third one, this. So I prefer it appear on my entire video. So I prefer setting it as the entire videos. So I click on, I've already uploaded it. So I click on change, but your own will be showing upload. So you come to your photo library, or you can come to your file, and photo library is okay. So you click on this, then you click on done. You click on done. Automatically it will upload to your YouTube channel. So the next thing you need to do is to come down here and come to this starting point and click on publish. So it will automatically save. As you can see, change publish, go to channel. If I go to my channel now, it will display on my video. So this is basically how you can create your custom watermark logo or your subscribe button on YouTube and upload it. And we have come to the end of this tutorial. I believe that you understand everything that I have teach you or have shown you. So if you don't understand, you can go back and rewatch the video, the whole process, and make sure you apply every bit of trick and strategies that I've shown you, and see how your YouTube channel will grow. So if you find value from this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment on idea how we can improve on our next video. And thank you for watching. See you on my next video.